how can you predict when a stock is going to be halted when you're day trading? Talking about it in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about crazy stocks that get halted. How can you figure out if a stock's going to get halted and kind of look at the level 2 and understand what is going on with the level 2 to figure out, hey, this stock is about to be halted. What do I do? Okay, so I wanted to show this replay here on PRPO. All right, so we're looking here at PRPO. Look at the level 2. Look how this is moving very, very fast. It's up 10 cents. It's up over 150, 160%. And look at this. Look at the level 2. Watch the time and sales here as it's increasing. Watching all the buy orders come through. Buy orders, buy orders, buy orders. And boom, right there. Okay, now we know it's getting halted because look what happens. Looking at level 2, it just stopped. And also, look at all the buy orders stacking up there. $1.34. All those buy orders, boom, boom, boom. It's not moving. Okay, we're about to get halted. It's about to get halted. Here it comes. And you can see, boom, there's the halt. So you can see very clearly how the time and sales was stacking up. And then the level 2, all those buy orders just stacking up there. $1.35, $1.35 was just not pushing through. Okay, it's about to get halted. PRPO made a 180% move before it was halted. Most of these moves weren't that crazy. So you get a move from like 70 cents to 80 cents, 80 cents to 90 cents, to $1. After we broke over $1, we got up there to $1.20. We pulled back to $1.15. Well, then we start getting 15, 20 cent moves. The spread gets much larger. The volume is filling in. You got over 500,000 shares traded. It's pushing, and then we're watching level 2. We can see clearly it's about to get halted. All those buy orders right there at $1.34, but it was not moving any higher, and it was basically about to halt. So when you're trading these types of stocks, when you start seeing a stock like this move very fast, it's getting a bigger spread, keep an eye on level 2, and once you see those orders stacking, and you see all that buying pressure, but the stock's not moving, boom, it's about to get halted. So now you know when you're trading these stocks. The reason these stocks get halted, basically the NASDAQ is saying, hey, hold on, stop being stupid, stop doing what you're doing, day traders. We're putting a halt here. So the halt can be for 5 minutes, it can be for 10 minutes. It can be for 5 minutes, it can be for 10 minutes. Recently, a lot of these stocks have been halted for 10 minutes. Most of the time, it's about 5 minutes. These halts can really hurt the momentum. So PRPO starts going higher after the halt, and you can see on this next halt once it was reopened. But a lot of times a halt will basically scare traders away. Traders who maybe got stuck in the halt are going to be dumping on the next halt, and they're getting out of it kind of thing. You know, as soon as it opens up, they're dumping, they're getting out of it. People who chased it, maybe people who bought their $1.30 area are like, hey, I want to get out. It's halted. I want my money back. I'm over it. So once it starts getting halted, a lot of times you'll have these sell-offs. You'll have issues because now people are scared it's going to get halted again. Well, what happens with PRPO? It gets halted again here. You can see the ask is showing $1.50. So someone's trying to sell their $1.50. Stock reopens. It'll adjust the price some, and you'll see how fast it jumps again. So it jumps from $1.34 here, hits the ask there at $1.48, and then gets even more pressure, and it starts to get halted, and then it gets halted as the buyers step up. So $1.45, big buyer sitting there, boom, boom, boom. Look at it going crazy here, right there to $1.60, and now again, all those buyers stacking up there at $1.60. Okay, NASDAQ's like, all right, hold on, stop it. So it gets halted again. PRPO at this point is up 230%. So once the stock really starts to get these crazy moves, that's when you get more halts. And this stock was actually halted 4 times. 4 times. Not a good sign for day traders, for traders in general, because traders are like, hey, I don't want to play this anymore. This halt is really screwing me up. I don't like it. A lot of times day traders like myself and other day traders will see these halts and be like, okay, I'm done. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I don't want to play with it. So they'll end up walking away. You'll start to lose that volume. You'll lose that interest. After that halt, PRPO opens up there at $1.70 area and then starts to crash and gets halted again there at $1.57. So after that point, it gets halted on the way down. That is not good. That is not good for anybody. When the stock gets halted on the way down, normally it means you're going to have more downside to come. So it gets halted there, $1.57 area. Where is it reopened? Opens up at $1.45. Dips down there to $1.30, gets halted one more time. After it gets halted at $1.30, where's it open up again? Opens up down here at $1.10. So it's not good when these stocks get halted on the way down, but a lot of times, even when they're getting halted on the way up, it's very dangerous because traders people will start to kind of just be like, hey, I'm over it, and they want to walk away. They don't want to mess with it, between these halts. If you would have bought there $1.70 area, that's not a good place to be buying at. You want to be careful and let the stock really start moving. You don't want to just jump in here like, hey, it's getting halted. I want to jump in on the next resumption, because it might get halted one more time. It got halted 4 times, PRPO. And if you were trying to trade it in this area, if you were trying to trade it there in that $1.50 to $1.70 area in between those halts, well, you could have got crashed on very quickly. So you got to be careful, and you got to understand that these halts are happening for a reason. The halts are happening because they're trying to scare traders away from it. They're trying to tell traders to stop trading, stop being stupid. And that's basically what they're doing. They're saying, hey, you guys need to chill out. And they're trying to tell everyone to chill out for 10 minutes, figure out what the news is, do your research before you keep buying. It's not that traders are actually doing their research. They're just buying this because it's up 200, 300%. And they're hoping that PRPO could go to $2. So you want to be careful when these stocks start getting halted, and you understand kind of how these halts do affect the price movement. Now, let's say PRPO did not get halted. For some reason, they didn't halt it. There's a good chance that PRPO could have broke over $2 easily, because you can see how fast it was moving, all the volume, all the action. It could have went to $2. But once these halts start, it really kind of scares people away, and they're like, all right, I don't want to play anymore. And that's kind of what they're trying. And that's what they're trying to do in the first place. They're trying to just stop traders from trading it, or tell people to relax. And you got to understand how these halts work and why they happen. And so hopefully you guys understand these circuit breaker halts and how they affect the momentum, the stock price on these crazy movers. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later on.